Hello everyone and welcome to another episode on CarsJade where we look at some exciting new vehicles coming in 2024. Today we will be focusing on luxury SUVs that are poised to make a big splash when they hit the market next year. From long-awaited redesigns to new additions, these 5 models will surely shock the auto industry. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the 2024 Volvo XC90. Volvo's flagship SUV enters 2024 with only minor changes, but it remains one of the most well-rounded options in the segment. Buyers continue to appreciate the XC90 for its understated Scandinavian design, emphasis on safety, potent engine options, and available 7-seat configuration. While not a full redesign, Volvo makes thoughtful tweaks for 2024, including dropping the polarizing black exterior trim of the dark theme in favor of the brighter chrome elements of the standard bright theme. Top ultimate trims are extra quiet with laminated side windows and new massive 22-inch wheels for those wanting to make a statement. Moving up the list to number 4, we come to the 2024 Porsche Cayenne. Porsche sharpens its popular SUV with styling revisions inside and out. Exterior changes are subtle, but the interior sees a more pronounced overhaul. The Cayenne adopts Porsche's new dashboard design first seen in the electric Taycan. The Cayenne also borrows the new 911-inspired steering wheel and upgraded digital displays. In third place, we have the highly anticipated 2024 Genesis GV80. Genesis shook up the luxury SUV segment in 2021 with the GV80, a new value-focused premium brand from Hyundai. For 2024, the GV80 doubles down on its winning formula of Audi-esque styling, a tech-forward interior, and strong V6 performance. Updates are minimal but important. Standout new green exterior colors provide fresh styling options, while a power-folding third row expands practicality. The range-topping Prestige signature trim also makes a return after a hiatus, loaded with luxury touches like quilted leather seats. Coming in at number 2, we have the game-changing 2024 Land Rover Range Rover. Few SUVs can match the new 5th-generation Range Rover for opulent luxury and imposing presence. Completely redesigned for 2024, this flagship model promises to push boundaries even higher. Land Rover has gone all in on creating a leather-lined private jet experience for drivers. The cabin is bathed in luxury materials, dazzling LED ambient lighting, and twin touchscreens. The 2024 Range Rover also doubles down on offering a peaceful ride. A sophisticated new rear air suspension system works alongside all-wheel steering to deliver magic carpet smoothness over any terrain. Finally, arriving at number 1 on our list, we have the groundbreaking 2024 BMW X7. BMW sets the benchmark for what a large luxury SUV can be. For 2024, the 3-row X7 sees detailed improvements on top of its already winning formula. Our revised infotainment system aims to fix past usability gaps. The advanced driver aids now feature more natural voice control, and options like 23-inch wheels and new leather colors keep things fresh. So those are our picks for the 5 most exceptional luxury SUVs coming in 2024. From the well-rounded Volvo XC90 to the game-changing Range Rover, these models are sure to turn heads when they arrive at dealers. Their combination of stunning design, indulgent interiors, potent powertrains, and advanced tech make them undeniable standouts in the crowded luxury SUV space. We can't wait to get behind the wheel of these exciting new vehicles when they hit the market next year. Let us know which 2024 luxury SUV you are most excited about in the comments.